Graders now present Saving Energy Expo.
I'm Jordan.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And we're talking about energy consumption in the U.S.
First is the PowerPoint. Energy consumption. Types of energies are hydroelectric, wind, geothermal, biofuel, and solar. We should save energy. You can turn off the light when it is not used. You cannot use the washer and dryer as much. You can turn down your water heater. You can buy the most energy efficient appliances. This is the Department of Energy, also called
the DOE.
Energy is typically measured each year, though every appliance in human advanced technologies and has resulted in a quite big of a number. Types of energy.
Renewable energy can be generated continuously, practically without decay of source. Some examples are solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydro energy. The non-renewable energy sources are non-renewable energy source is energy that comes from the ground and is not replaced in a relatively short amount of time, e.g. energy generated from combustion of fossil fuels, coal, gas, etc.
Refers to energy used by all human civilization. We use our gas and electricity. We only use alternative energies a little bit.
The disadvantage is that we use non-renewable energy sources for electricity, like coal, oil, and gas.
Natural gas, Aerial gas, natural gas. Aerial gas, natural gas.
Hi, I'm Lane.
And I'm Tori.
And today we will be presenting why saving energy is important. Here are the types of energy that we use in modern world. We have hydropower, solar energy, geothermal, biomass, waste, wind, coal, oil, petroleum, and natural gas. These are the non-renewable resources, and they cannot be replaced. And these are the renewable resources that can be replaced. This is wind energy. This is solar energy, hydropower, geothermal, biomass, coal, oil, and finally, natural gas. Here are the ways you can conserve energy. You could take cold showers. You can turn off the lights when they're not of use. You could take short laundry cycles or hang your clothes to dry. And this is why conserving energy is important. Conserving is important because one day our fossil fuels might run out, so we must use every little drop. I hope you learned a thing or two.
Saving energy is important!
Uranium, split goes the atom. Uranium, split goes the atom. Uranium, split goes the atom.
Hi, I'm Angel.
And I'm Natalie.
And we're talking about heating. Everyone is not a warm-blooded animal, and so therefore we need heat. And we should use heat in our buildings and homes at least at 70 degrees Celsius. Most buildings that use heat use electricity, natural gas, heating oil, propane, gasoline, and diesel. Most of the heating energy systems have 40% of energy. Some energy is wasted when we heat buildings because most people like to leave windows or doors open, which lets out heat. 2 units of energy are wasted about each year. You can save energy in lots of ways. You can unplug things when not in use. You can also use a chimney instead of turning the heater on. Have fun with heating.
And this is our poster of different.
Compress, 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 propane. Compress, 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 propane. Compress, compress, compress,
My
propane.
name is Anna. My name is Giselle. Hi, my name is Joanna. And we're representing cooling. Okay. Cooling. Cooling to us is cool. Fresh air, but there's much more to cooling. We use cooling in buildings so we can keep the cool. The average temperature we should cool off the building is 60 to 70 Fahrenheit. Some cooling systems we use are ceiling fans, cooling fans, thermometers, but they are powered by electricity. Most of us waste energy by leaving windows and doors open. Some places or buildings have cracks on the walls and nobody fixes them. We all waste more energy by leaving devices on when we don't use them. Some things we can do so we don't waste energy are closing door and windows, fixing the cracks on the walls, and use less energy by turning the devices off when we don't use them. And we did this project where we trying to see which is more denser, hot or cold water. And so the materials you need are 2 jars, one cold water and the other hot water, and a dish, a plastic card, blue and red food coloring. And you first have to put the red food dye on the hot water, and then blue food dye on the cold, and then you trying to see. Put the cold water jar on top of the dish, then put plastic card on top. Carefully flip jar and let someone put the hot water on dish. Check each side for the jars to be equal, then carefully let someone take off plastic card. Watch and see, and then do it again, but only for the blue jar on the bottom.
Falling water, hydropower, hydropower, falling water, hydropower, hydropower, falling water, hydropower, hydropower.
Hi, my name is Damien,
Hi, my name is Sebastian.
and we're presenting a project of water heating. So the script, important facts about water heating. Water heating is a thermodynamic process that uses an energy source to heat water above its initial temperature. Typical domestic uses of hot water include cooking, cleaning, bathing, and space heating. Domestically, water is traditionally heated in vessels known as water heaters. Rarely, hot water occurs naturally, usually from natural hot springs. Hot water is important because it helps to detoxify and cleanse your body and kills impurities. Water is traditionally heated in vessels known as water heaters, kettles, cauldrons, pots, or cappers. When you use it in an excessive way, you can save energy when you consider the natural gas for heating water.
Okay, so this is our presentation about water heating. So the main facts about water heating is drinking hot water helps for weight loss, body detoxification, prevents premature aging and dehydration, and etc. Helps remove impurities of the food, the best removing germs and heavy soil. Excellent to cleanse your body, beneficial to relieve cold and cough, induce sleep, and relax muscles. And this is the optimum temperature for washing dishes is 160 Fahrenheit. To bath is 37 Fahrenheit. Boiling water is 212 Fahrenheit. For the coffee is 200 Fahrenheit, and wash clothes is 130 Fahrenheit or above.
Garbage, wood, landfill gas, it's all biomass. Garbage, wood, landfill gas, it's all biomass. Garbage, wood, landfill gas, it's all
My name
biomass.
is Deshaun, and my name is Juan Pablo, and we're going to be showing you how electrical devices. Over here, it shows that more than 1.2 billion people don't have access to electricity. So if you have access to it, you are pretty lucky. And it shows right here, it shows right here which one has it contains electricity, and this one doesn't. And then we also list conductors and insulators of electricity. So metal, iron, wire, copper, and copper wire will be conductors of electricity, and plastic, book, shoe, rubber, and paper will be insulators of electricity. So over here we show the importance of it. So it's electricity is important for us now in this economy. Some people might even say that they can't live without electricity or many devices. Personally, a lot of people continuously tell me that they can't live without their electrical devices. Down here, we tell you to not waste electricity. And here are some examples of electrical devices that use electricity also when turned off. So there's a game console, a computer, and a telephone. And here's our PowerPoint, electrical devices and saving energy. Here we show an energy guide label. And the first questions that we had about the project are here. And then we put how it's generated. We also put the label right there, and then we drew the label and put it on the PowerPoint. Here it says this shows an example of how it's generated. And first it heats up what you need, or also cools it down. In this case, we are heating water. Later, it shoots it throughout pipes, which shoot it to more generators. Later, it goes to a tower, which now converts it to your house. And here's our bibliography, the places that we use.
Hi, I'm Alicia,
Hi, I'm Dan.
and today we are going to teach you about trash/biomass. And here's the first question. How is it a part of the energy picture? Well, we burn biomass for energy. How much trash does the typical American use per lifetime? We use 102 tons per lifetime. How does America use trash? Well, we use landfills and biomass. How do we dispose of the trash? Also, landfills and biomass.
How do we save energy in the disposal of trash? We burn it as energy/biomass. And in these illustrations, it says we have 102 tons of garbage, and about 8 billion people on Earth, which equals into a lot of energy. Ethanol is the definition. The definition of ethanol is a biofuel that made from corn.
That is
In this picture, we have all this trash. We can turn it to energy, which can be used in houses.
okay. So this is a model of a house powered by biomass.
Wind is moving air, energy is there. Wind is moving air, energy is there. Wind is moving air, energy is there. Sunshine bright, give us light. Sunshine bright, give us light. Sunshine bright, give us light. Working in a coal mine, oh hard hat. Working in a coal mine, oh hard hat. Working in the coal mine, oh hard hat.
Fifth graders presents. Fifth graders now.
Blur, blur, blur.
Natural gas. There gas.